Alright, welcome everybody to AR124 Radio. I'm going to attempt to fix this, what is this here? Galaxy DX44V. I got one screw out and thought, you know what? This might make a halfway decent video. So, we're going to crack this open. I have not looked at this in the future. So, the only thing I have to go by is the fact that the person who gave this to me to say, here, try and fix this, they mentioned that they had tried to hook it up to a battery and did it the wrong way. It sparked, it went pop, and it didn't work after that. So, my hunch, my suspicion, is that the reverse polarity protection diode has become destroyed. And so, we are going to pop this open and see if that is in fact the case. Now, if you listen, it was kind of making a shaking noise, or like a clicking noise before when you would turn it certain ways. So, kind of makes me think that that diode is probably blown up inside of there and there are shards everywhere. So, we're going to crack it open here and see what we have going on in the inside. So, okay, speaker disconnected, nice. Let's see what we have here. Well, that would make some things turn off. I don't know if you can see right up in, let me kind of turn it the right way. That right there is blown up, and it actually should be connected right on that pin there. Now, I believe there's supposed to be something on this little doodad here, and it is not there anymore. I'm going to see if I can roll this thing around and maybe find out where that's lurking. I'm hearing that. Okay, there's one piece. That would be a portion of a diode. So, yes, in fact, that does look to be the case, that the diode blew up. Let's see if we can get any more pieces out of this. I don't know, or where that came from, because it sure doesn't look like it came from right there. Possibly somewhere else. Let's keep looking here and see if we can find any more blown up pieces somewhere around here. Is there any more back there? Nope. Is there any more up over here? Now, I thought I may have had the diode for this, but being that the diode is going to be that big, I don't think I have that one. So I might need to order that. We have got some odd things going on down here. I don't know what. We have a very big relay. I just noticed that. As you can tell, I'm a very observant person when it comes to this type of thing. So it kind of makes me want to take this other cover off and see what's going on down in the bottom of this. Okay. Some wireage stuff that's not really supposed to be there. That looks like a new LED bulb. That looks like that's been replaced. Right there on the solder connection, that's a little bit blown up. So that, and then we have the gray wires going down here. What is right there? What is this even doing? Oh, I know what that is. That's a big old swing kit, I think is what that is. Yeah, I think that's what that is. If you look down here, we've got the big old capacitor. We've got the, maybe I can get it in there. I don't know. Let's turn on the light. Come on. That'll work. Yes, capacitor, resistor, and then over here where one of the other wires goes to, you have a diode in there, which is basically some type of swing kit is what that is. Something. Because it's right back there in the PA section. Okay. Well, well, that thing has exploded. So, I don't know. Let's see if we can maybe figure out what kind of diode this is. And figure out if it's necessary or if we can do just like the Cobra 29 and just bypass it. Anyway, as the screen recording just showed, we need I think it was a 1N4003 diode. So all I did was went to CB Tricks, looked up the schematic for this DX44V, went back to the power input section and found that particular diode that acts as the reverse polarity protection diode. And found that, and then looked it up online and found it looks about the same size, kind of that fat looking diode anyway. And then went to further kind of prove that that's probably the diode that we're going to need by going and looking up a picture of what one should look like on the inside. And that looked like it was about it. So we know that that needs to come out right here. This is apparently all that's left of the diode right there. And that needs to come off. We'll put a new one in and make sure that gets repaired. But unfortunately, I do have to order that one because I do not have one that big unless I can dig through my pile of parts. Old microwaves and things like that, and maybe there's one in there. I don't know. I'll have to take a look at what I got. But anyway, that's kind of what needs to be done with this one, and I'm sure that will probably fix the issue. Hopefully that diode saved the radio before it went completely down the drain. So, I guess it's time to get online and order some parts from DigiKey or something like that.